If you landed here, you're probably in IT, whether that could be support, help desk, sysadmin, a business analyst, or someone who has been working in or around identity projects and wants to go deeper. Maybe you're trying a career in IAM. This community exists for mainly one reason: to give you understanding of core IAM concepts, along with letting you learn identity and access management with hands-on labs for free. These are the free identity and access management labs that certifications and product vendors never give you for free. This community helps you first understand what is your current status and where you can start the learning of identity and access management. Then we build. Using free hands-on labs, you can download and try learning identity and access management on your own. The first few labs are IGA Lab, which is a full-blown enterprise identity and access management system with the target systems and HR source. Another lab is also for free, which you can try using a SaaS solution for customer identity and access management or CIAM use cases. Also, there is a career module to help you get started into IAM and land into a IAM role once you try the labs. It helps you to position yourself and to polish your resume, and also it helps you how to bridge your current experience into IAM roles. We also meet every week in a weekly call to discuss about career questions, lab questions, and talk through whatever the trending topic in identity and access management area. And coming soon, a dedicated privileged access management lab as well, or PAM Lab. PAM is one of the fastest growing areas in IAM right now and also is related to identity and access management. Everything is free. Click join group, introduce yourself, and let's get to work. See you inside.